Good morning, students. Last time we have got information about unit number 1, lesson number 5, Joan of Arc. Students, today you will get information about alchemy of nature. The lesson has been written by Raksha Bhardia. In this lesson, she has given us information about the mysterious or magical power of nature. Students, we instinctively turn to outdoor activities and nature as a way of relaxing and enhancing our well-being. The nature, which soothes and nurtures. The nature takes a lot of care of us. Nature fulfills and motivates. Nature whispers and commands. All the things are controlled by the nature. We have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Every fortnight, a flower blooms on it, big, bright, and tender. Through the day, it smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. But as evening approaches, it starts wilting. The morning after, it withers completely, and by evening, it falls and becomes one with the earth again. The flower comes to life only for a day, yet it does so in full splendor. What if we too lived our life, however short, to its fullest? Students, life is too short to live. Give it a great cause. Though the life may be short, but we should live it fully. We should not take a lot of unwanted tension. In our lives, the problem may arise, but we should face the challenges. Students, you know it, water is so gentle and rock is so hard. Yet, as the water flows over it every day, for years the rock gives in. The shape of the rock can be changed by the flow of the water. Our problems, our difficulties may be huge, but if we try to solve it 100%, we will win it. Students, life, which is very precious thing we have got because of the nature. We should understand the importance of the life. We saw small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. It left us thinking, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. Try, but don't cry. We should not fear to the difficulties. We should accept it and we should try to face the challenges. We saw a tree bare of all leaves in the cold winter. We thought its chapter was over. But 3 months passed, spring set in, and tree was back to its green majesty once again, full of leaves, flowers, birds, and life. What if we too had the conviction, the strong, firm belief that however difficult things are right now, it will not remain so forever? Students, nothing is permanent in this life. All the things are temporary. Even we have born on the earth. One day we have to leave the earth. That is life. Remember, this too shall pass. Sometimes we become happy, sometimes we become sad. Accept it. Sadness does not mean forever we will be sad. Again, the happiness will arise in our lives. We saw an army of ants. Students, you know it. Ants, which are very small. We saw an army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times the ant's size. The ants organized themselves around the fly, lifted it on frail feelers, and carried it to quite a distance. Their teamwork and perseverance, because of it, the fly could be moved by the ants. What if we too are consistent, organized, and focused? Students, nothing is impossible in this world. You might have seen spider webs, which are very delicate but very strong. A rainbow. A rainbow colors the entire sky. Oysters take in a grain of sand, they open up with a pearl. Stars, innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. Clouds take new shapes with every passing moment. The wind makes trees dance with unhindered without disturbance. Water, without hint of ego, changes its form according to the dictates of the sun and the wind. When we see a caterpillar turns into a butterfly, a flower turns into a fruit, we experience the alchemy of nature. We touch it and become gold ourselves. Students, we have got the life. The life is very precious. But we should learn from the nature that whatever will happen in our lives, we should try to understand it. Problems may arise in our lives. We should not fear. We should accept it and we should try to solve it. Try, but don't cry. The life is too short to live. Give it a great cause. Students, in this lesson, the writer has talked about hibiscus. Hibiscus gets the life of one day only. And you know, hibiscus is offered by us to Lord Ganesha. Though the life is too short, but it lives it the fullest. Then you got information about water. Though water is very gentle, but with the flow of the water, the shape of the rock can be changed. A small grass, a bit of grass, peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. Though the problems may be powerful, but we should not fear it. We should try to overcome on it. A bear lives, but after some time, again we see the leaves, the fruits, the flowers, the birds, and life. The ants, very small, but because of the teamwork and constant efforts, they can move the fly. Students, with the help of the lesson, we can understand that life is very important for us. We should try to live the life. Alchemy of nature, the mysterious power or magic that can change things. Thank you very much. Students, write the answers of the following questions in your homework notebook and complete the work on time. Thank you very much.